This is Derek Wilder with Virtuemart Shipping, and in this video tutorial we are going to actually talk about how to apply Virtuemart international shipping, not just by country but by zip codes. So the first thing we're going to do is log into the back end of Joomla and then select Components and Virtuemart. Then when you're into Virtuemart, click on Store and Shipping Module List, and then click on Configure Ship Method. As you can see, per the previous video tutorials, we already have international shipping created for these two products. Currently, for instance, if someone from the United States purchases a product, this configuration will add $10 shipping fee and $15 packaging fee as an international surcharge. Now we're going to take this one step further, and we'll click on United States. And inside the United States panel, you can see that what we've done with the zip code is started at 0 and then went to 99999. What this will allow you to do is start the zip code range, for instance 40000, and end the zip code at 50000, and allow this shipping to only be charged if the zip code is between 40000 and 50000. So you just click Update. And now you'll see on the front end here that from in the 4s up to 50000, this shipping fee will be applied to the international surcharge. Now what we'll do is add a new shipping rate, and we'll call this United States 2. List order 3. Shipper, owner shipped, country will make, of course, the United States. Now this zip code we're going to start at 50001 and end at 60000. Put the lowest weight in at 0 and the highest rate at 99999 again. And here we're going to add a shipping fee of $15 and a packaging fee of $10. And the currency is US dollars. And select Add. Now what this does is it applies the $15 international surcharge to zip codes in the 40000 range up to the 5s, and a $25, 15 shipping and $10 packaging fee, a $25 surcharge anywhere with zip codes starting with 5 in the United States. Okay, one final thing before we go to the front end is we're going to add a new shipping rate. This time we're going to type in the Netherlands. And we'll say list order 4. Select ownership as a shipper and scroll down to the Netherlands. Now many of you know that in the Netherlands the way the zip codes are created have alphabetical letters in the zip code, and there's a number of countries that do this. Now the countries like the Netherlands that have zip codes, for instance 1000AA, will work with our component. For instance, if we want to go 1000AA to 2000BB, we could do that. However, here's what's important about this. Number one, you cannot add the letters to the zip code range. You have to delete the letters from the zip code range. So what this means is that this component will work for the Netherlands and similar countries. However, there are certain countries that start with an alphabetical letter. For instance, countries that would start and look like something like this: AV and BC. These kind of zip codes do not work with the Virtuemart international shipping component. The only kind of zip codes other than numeric zip codes are those zip codes that start with a numeric number and then have letters that come after those numerals. But remember, for those countries, do not add the letters into this section. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put 0 in for the weight and the shipping fee of 15 and the packaging fee of 15, and then the currency we're selling in is the US dollar, and click Add. And that's all there is to it. You'll notice we have 2 different international shipping surcharges for 2 different zip codes in the United States, And we also have international shipping for a specific zip code in the Netherlands. So now we'll show how this works on the front end. Okay, here we are on the front end, and you can see that the zip code here is 46013, which is obviously between 4 and 5. And we have a $15 surcharge, international shipping surcharge, added for this zip code. So we'll click Next. And you can see that the international shipping charge added to this cart is $15. Of course, we still have the $7 cost. This is based on the flat rate shipping price in the back end, but the $15 is based solely on the international shipping charge applied to this zip code. Okay, now what we're going to do is go to my account information and change the zip code from 46013 to 56013, and then click Save. Now we're going to go back to our cart, click Checkout. Before we click Next, notice the zip code is changed to 56013. So once the zip code is in the 5s, it's going to charge a $25 international shipping charge instead of our $15 shipping charge that would have been applied in the 4s. So simply click Next. And you'll notice that the shipping and handling fee of the $25 international shipping charge plus the $7 per item flat fee charge is included in the cart and ready for checkout. In our next video, we are going to show you how to apply tax to your shipping.